Well, it's time to get this old rat rod home. It's been sitting here for 48 years. So it's time to get it home. Sit in my backyard as yard art. It's unfixable because it's so far gone. It's rusty in every single corner and nook and cranny, but it still looks like a pickup truck. So that's kind of cool.
You know, you're just on the edge over here, but you got a lot of room.
There, that's pretty slick. Get it up on the flat deck like that, then get it right on the truck, and just perfect. So it's been sitting there 48 years, so I bet you those tires are 50 years old. Gets a wind going past it. There we are, backing into my yard. I got a little bit of tiddling up to do to it just to make it look more like a pickup. The doors don't fit. I guess the cab is bent. And there's a few other dents in it. There's a dent in the box and a dent in the roof. It's a good thing it's got that good trailer hitch on the back. All four tires are flat as a pancake. I guess they got pure rubber inner tubes that the bacteria ate away. GBW 5,000 pounds. Now with this jack, I'll jack it up in the air a few times and kick it off the jack, and that'll swing the truck around. Because I gotta get it down this little alley I got there and swing it around. These jacks are pretty handy when you have a use for them. See that? I kick it off the jack, I gain 6 or 8 inches each time. And then I take the same jack and use it as a come-along. Tie it to a tree on one side and put it around the trailer hitch on the other. And then I can drag it a little bit at a time. So what if it's got 4 flat tires? It just comes right along, no problem. A little bit more to go and that'll be it. There, that's a good resting place for it for a while.